Your mind isn't broken. It's been working hard for a long time, and right now, it's ready to rest. If your thoughts feel busy, fast, or hard to quiet, you're in the right place. Nothing needs to be fixed. Nothing needs to be forced. For many years, I've worked closely with older adults and caregivers, helping them calm stress, ease mental noise, and feel safe again in their own bodies. What you're about to experience is based on what we know about the nervous system, aging, and how the mind naturally settles when it feels supported. There's nothing you need to do perfectly here. You don't need to empty your mind. You don't need to concentrate hard. Just allow yourself to be guided at your own pace. This meditation is different because it's made especially for you. Slower, gentler, no pressure to do it right, no demanding breathing counts, just a steady voice, simple language, and permission to let your thoughts come and go without a fight. Racing thoughts can show up in quiet moments, in the evening when the day finally slows down, when you lie down to rest and your mind suddenly remembers everything at once. Old worries, small regrets, tomorrow's plans, even things from years ago that seem to knock at the door when things get quiet. If that's happening for you, it doesn't mean something is wrong. It means your mind has been protecting you for a long time, thinking ahead, watching out, staying alert. And now it may not remember how to fully stand down. So instead of trying to shut your thoughts off, we're going to do something kinder. We're going to give your nervous system a sense of safety. And when the body feels safe, the mind naturally softens. Let's begin slowly. Take a comfortable breath in through your nose. Not deep, just natural. And let it out through your mouth. Easy, unforced. Again, breathing in and gently breathing out. You don't need to change your breath. Just notice it. Notice that you are breathing without effort. Your body already knows how to do this. If thoughts come up right now, that's okay. Let them be there. Imagine them like clouds passing through a wide sky. You don't need to chase them. You don't need to push them away. Bring your attention gently down into your chest. Notice the rhythm there. The steady work your heart has been doing for you day and night without asking for recognition. You don't need to control anything here. Just notice. Bring your attention gently to where your body is supported. The chair beneath you, the bed under your back, the floor under your feet. Let yourself feel held. Notice your shoulders. Many people carry a lot there without realizing it. You don't have to force them to relax. Just allow them to drop a little, as if setting down a heavy bag you've been holding all day. Notice your jaw. Let your teeth rest apart. Let your tongue rest easily in your mouth. If your eyes are open, allow them to soften. If they're closed, notice the darkness behind your eyelids. Calm, neutral, safe. Your thoughts may still be moving. That's all right. We're not chasing silence. We're creating steadiness. Bring your attention to your breathing again. Feel the gentle rise as you breathe in and the soft fall as you breathe out. Each time you breathe out, imagine your body settling just a little more into support, like sand slowly settling at the bottom of a jar. As we age, the nervous system can become more sensitive. It's not weakness, it's experience. Years of responsibility, caregiving, Problem solving and staying alert can leave the system stuck in a mild state of on. This meditation is a signal that it's safe to turn the volume down. If a thought pops up that says, "I should be calmer by now," notice that thought and let it pass. Calm doesn't come from effort, it comes from permission. Let your attention move gently down into your chest. Notice the rhythm there, the steady work your heart has been doing for you day and night without asking for recognition. You don't need to control anything here, just notice. Now bring your awareness to your belly. Feel it rise slightly as you breathe in and fall as you breathe out. This kind of breathing sends a quiet message to your nervous system. Things are okay right now. If your mind wanders, that's not a problem. That's part of the process. Each time you notice it wandering, gently bring your attention back to your breath or your body. No judgment, no frustration. Imagine now a feeling of warmth spreading slowly through your body. Not heat, just a gentle warmth, like sunlight coming through a window on a calm morning. Let that warmth move into your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Let your hands rest easily. They don't need to hold on to anything right now. Notice your legs, your thighs, your knees, your calves. Let the weight of your legs sink down, supported, safe. If there's tension anywhere, you don't need to chase it, just notice it. Often, awareness alone is enough for the body to soften. Racing thoughts often come from a sense of needing to stay ready for the next problem, the next demand. Right now, there is nothing you need to solve. You are allowed to rest. If a memory comes up, notice it kindly. Say to yourself, "Thank you, I see you," and let it drift by. Return to the breath. Breathing in, breathing out, slowly, naturally. There may be a moment where you notice a small shift. Maybe your breath feels easier. Maybe your shoulders feel lower. Maybe nothing feels different at all. All of that is okay. This isn't about results, it's about allowing. As the nervous system settles, the mind often follows. Not all at once, gradually, gently, like a lake becoming still after the wind dies down. You don't need to force the water to be still. You just stop stirring it. Take another easy breath, and another. If you're listening to this during the day, let this calm be something you can return to later. If you're listening at night, let this be preparation for rest, not a task to complete. Thoughts may still pass through. Let them. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness noticing them. Imagine now that with each exhale, you're releasing the need to monitor, to plan, to rehearse conversations. Just for now. The body knows how to rest when it feels safe. Stay here for a few breaths. Notice the steadiness beneath the movement, the quiet underneath the noise. If you ever wonder why calming the body helps calm the mind, it's because the nervous system listens to physical signals first. A slower breath, a supported posture, a sense of warmth. These tell the brain that it doesn't need to stay on high alert. That's why nothing dramatic needs to happen here. Just steadiness. Just permission. If you feel drowsy, that's okay. If you feel alert, that's okay too. There is no right way to feel. Take one more gentle breath in and let it out slowly. Notice how you feel compared to when you started. Even if the change is very small, a slight softening, a tiny bit more space between thoughts, that's enough. This calm is something you can return to. You can listen to this meditation again whenever your thoughts feel busy. In the morning, in the afternoon, before bed. Consistency matters more than length. Kindness matters more than effort. When racing thoughts return, and they will because that's part of being human, you don't need to fight them. Just return to the body, the breath, the feeling of support. Before we close, remember this. Your mind has been trying to protect you. It doesn't need to be silenced. It just needs reassurance. If your mind tends to race most when you're trying to rest, you're not alone. That's actually one of the most common times mental restlessness shows up, especially later in life. We do have a gentle program called Sleep Deep Again that was created to help the body and mind settle in the evening, release mental tension, and support more restful nights. It's not a quick fix, just calm, practical support you can lean on if sleep has been difficult. If it feels right, you can explore it in your own time. The link is in the description. And if you're curious about how sound itself can either calm or quietly overstimulate the mind, there's another video you may find eye-opening waiting on the screen right now. For now, take a moment to notice your body again. The support beneath you, the breath moving in and out. When you feel ready, gently return to your day or your rest. And if you'd like, share in the comments how your mind feels right now, even if the answer is simply a little calmer. You're doing better than you think.